May 3, 2023. Around 2 a.m. the rain started, and the rain become heavier. The heavy rain results a big flood in our place. This is the actual video of the flood in our river. When I going to take a bath cause I need to go to work. This flood shows me, and I am worried seeing this. Oh my god, the flood is getting bigger. How could I pass by this? The water is getting higher. I need to wait if when is the water going lower. The question is, when it stop, the rain's still falling so there is no possibility that the flood stop. I don't have choice but to wait. And while waiting I take a video of you floods. You run out my time Hopefully I never be late of my work. Or else I going my work without taking a bath. Oh my god, working without taking a bath. Can I carry this? That is called no choice. So I will wait when you become good to me. Guys, that is our situation here if heavy rain falls. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching.